Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the DVD unboxing video here. And this time I'm going to be doing the Smurfs, the Legend of Smurfy Hollow, which is a Halloween holiday special here. We got this horseman in the background, and we got Papa Smurf, Bernie Smurf, and Smurfy right out of front here with the pumpkins and spooky trees. And we also got back here with scenes from the holiday special here. And I got this on the same day as Shazam Fairy of the Dogs with my own money. And now it's has open up the DVD case after taking the plastic off to look at the DVD. And here's the DVD disc, which is almost similar to the back and front of the DVD case. And it does it for the unboxing review. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing review, and make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when a new videos upload to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.